Hi everyone, welcome to Imaging Study. Today we are going to see a case of gastrointestinal stromal tumor, in short known as GIST. A 51-year-old male patient came with left abdominal pain and a palpable lump at the lumbar region. Let's see what we have got on ultrasound. Here you can see a fairly large heterogeneous mass at the left lumbar region adjacent to the aorta. Here you can see the glimpse of aorta. This mass is adherent to adjacent bowel, however, there was no communication seen with the bowel lumen. The mass is well defined and you can see multiple anechoic cystic spaces within indicating the internal necrosis. There is no internal calcification seen. This fairly large mass adherent to adjacent bowel is gastrointestinal stromal tumor or GIST. It commonly arises from the stomach wall, however, in this patient it arose from the small intestinal wall. We have done a contrast CT scan for confirmation, though the pictures are not available here. Here on color Doppler, you can see good amount of peripheral flow from the vessels arising from the abdominal aorta or branch of abdominal aorta. This is the abdominal aorta, which is nearby to the mass. Now when we took the spectral Doppler from the prominent supplying vessel, we got a moderate resistant arterial flow. So here's the picture of the mass and you can see there is no internal calcification, however multiple anechoic cystic spaces indicating necrosis, which is a common feature in gastrointestinal stromal tumor. There is no communication with the bowel lumen as there is no air inside, however it is causing mass effect displacing the adjacent bowel. Here is the color Doppler and you can see this is the abdominal aorta and it is getting blood supply from the branch arising from the abdominal aorta. We have taken a sample from different size. Here is the main supplying artery and it shows a good amount of flow on diastole with a systolic flow of 112 and resistive index of 0.67. Here you can see a moderate resistant wave pattern with a systolic flow of 85 cm per second and resistive index of 0.7. Here is another flow and you can see this is the branch arising from the main supplying vessel showing 0.69 resistive index. This is the deepest vessel we could trace and it shows the resistive index of 0.8 with a low flow on the diastole. So, in summary, a fairly large, well-defined irregular heterogeneous solid mass with internal cystic spaces and no calcification is noted at the left lumbar region adjacent to the abdominal aorta and adherent to adjacent small bowel. There was no communication with the bowel lumen. Color Doppler shows predominantly peripheral vascularity with moderate resistant arterial flow arising from the abdominal aorta and its branches. Average resistive index was 0.7. No adjacent ascites or lymphadenopathy was seen. So this was a case of gastrointestinal stromal tumor. Now the take-home message. A solid exophytic mass adherent to the stomach or small intestinal wall with internal necrosis in a 40-plus-years-old male patient without any calcification is usually a gastrointestinal stromal tumor. Contrast-enhanced CT scan is an excellent procedure for further confirmation. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more. See you on the next one. Have a nice day.